Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to edit TikTok videos. If you have created a TikTok account but you don't know how to start creating and editing engaging videos, then don't worry. Simply follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Record a video or upload the one from your camera roll. Tap Next, one more time Next. Now you can do a lot of things with your video. For instance, you have an opportunity to use any filter and make your video look brighter or more vintage. You can add a song you like, choosing from a built-in songs gallery. If you press on the effects icon at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to select from a wide range of effects. What is more, you can write a text on your video, or you can insert stickers, emojis, or even GIFs. Once you're happy with your video, just click on the arrow button. Here you may write a description of your video, add hashtags, or tag your friends. You can decide who can view your video. Choose whether you want to receive comments or not. Toggle the slider to the left in order to not save the video to your camera roll. Also, you have a chance to share your video on other social media platforms. Now, save your video draft and edit it later or post it on your TikTok profile. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to edit TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.